How to remove user account in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove user account in Windows 11. Deleting a user account in Windows 11 is essential for maintaining system security, removing unused profiles, and ensuring efficient management of user access. So let's start the video. To remove user account in Windows 11, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accounts in the left panel. Now scroll down and click on Other Users. Here you can see user accounts on your Windows 11. Select and click on the account you want to delete. As we only have one account here, so we are going to click on it. Here you will see two options. You have to click on Remove button beside Account and Data, so click on Remove. A pop-up window will appear. You have to click on Delete Account and Data. This is how you can simply delete a user account in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.